Hi, we're back at Mark's Electrical Studios, and today we're looking at Mark's Electrical's MECF200A chest freezer. Now, this is one of Mark's Electrical's own brand of ultra affordable products, and it's designed for use in your home, garage or outbuilding for main or additional freezing. The ME brand gives you quality products without having to pay a premium for a big name, so you're therefore often paying far less for the exact same product that you will get from another manufacturer. The design is simple and functional with efficiency and practicality in mind. The ME logo sits on a classic white background, and the unit itself sits off the ground on casters for added insulation and manoeuvrability. The temperature control and power light are on the front bottom right, and the defrost external drain plug is on the front bottom left. The power cable for the product is at the bottom of the right hand panel. The handles for the chest lid are integral. There's one in the middle at the front and one either side, which means no matter which side you approach the product from, you can open it and get good access to it. The lid itself has got a nice seal on it, a good seal, and when you open it, it's a great combination of sturdiness and lightness. It feels very light as you open it, and the hinges have got a good balance and they stop it in an ideal position so you don't have to stretch to close it. So good access as well. It's an all-round good design, that lid. Inside you get a big 200 litres of capacity, so it's great for large or small items, and they sit on a durable and easy clean metallic shell. The internal drain plug is at the bottom left for when you need to defrost, and that easily removes, and you get a large removable and slidable easy access basket for your frequently used food. The A+ energy rating ensures efficiency, and the noise level of the motor is a low 42 decibels. Let's have a look at the dimensions. There's a height of 845 millimeters, the width of the product is 905 millimeters, and the depth of the product is 545 millimeters, including hinges. The height with the lid open is 1330 millimeters. You'll also need to bear in mind that you need to add 5 millimeters either side of the product for clearance. So summing up, if you're looking for simple, efficient 4-star frozen storage for an amazing price, look no further. It makes no sense to pay any more. And you could have one in your home tomorrow, free delivery with a 2-hour time slot from Mark's Electrical, and that's next day and weekends included.